cho chị nhó lỡ anh chi cho lúc bắt chuột nó đó ôi cho chị chi cho lúc bắt chuột nó rong gốc cơ chị đâu có sao chị cúp lửa thế mà chị đâu có sao giờ tí cho ba chú qua chị yên chị lo đi đâu cho cô mỏ nó ấy nè mình nè cái giờ tao này thâu này chỉ biết bắt chước chị
Yeah, this is wrong. This is the superior court. Yeah, it's a dead end over here. It looked like the gate was closed, right? Yeah, just follow this GPS.
chúng mày lúc trên thế này, tên nó kêu là chúng mày lúc trên thế này. Chúng trên thế gì, bố những khách tàu mà, bố những chỉ bố yêu sao được nó. để nó là do lối rõ đu nè, giờ ý lối rõ đu, ý bị to xí bị to sai lối rõ đu. Yes, yes, yeah. Nè, thanh kim cha. Thế này gọi đấy thế lại hả?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Right there. You stop right there.
Dạ. Có tuần ta lại chụp bắt chạy vô chạy ta rồi.
tsiaj sẽ bây giờ mình thấy chả đây rồi mà.
Ba lô. Yes, yes, yeah. Nè, thanh kim cha. Thế này gọi đấy thế lại hả?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Right there. You stop right there.
Dạ. Có tuần ta lại chụp bắt chạy vô chạy ta rồi.
tsiaj sẽ bây giờ mình thấy chả đây rồi mà.
Ba lô.
All the way from Kansas, huh? Morning.
Caij.
I'm going to welcome you and give you a quick spiel to make it easier when you get to the window. My apology, we have one system down, window number 2. So we're working window number 1, and we're working 2 registers to do admissions in the gift shop. And we have a VIP group of 7 that we have to get in there during that time because they check into the gift shop. So we'll just stop, wait for the next available window. If I'm talking and you see her call you like this, just go ahead and go up there because I'm not seeing everything. But we'll just keep doing it and it'll be quickly. Your map gives you, this is the map you're going to get, list of the shows. Shows are included with your admission. By the way, if anybody needs to use the restroom, just go right out there, use the restroom, and then pop back in line. Just feel free to do that. So anyway, we have, you're together? Okay. So what we have is shows included, shuttle down here to take you to the shows because the shows are up here at the Wildlife Preserve where all the predators are. So the shuttle's there every 20 minutes, starting the hour. Once they see your bracelet, they realize you can ride the shuttle, walk the park, see the shows, even go in and out of the park via the exit. If you need to go out, do something, go somewhere, do whatever you want to do, all day long, you come in that way and show your bracelet as you walk by if somebody's looking at you, okay? We'll be looking at bracelets all day long, so just so they show, then that tells us where you need to be. If you're in an upgrade and you need to be somewhere at a specific time, we can keep an eye on you that way. Okay, so included with admission, shuttle, shows, and that's with your bracelet. Your ticket included with admission is the loop in with the African free roaming animals. It's called the Bush Safari. It's a big bus, big windows, a couple of giraffe will come right up to you, and you are welcome to feed them or kiss them. We give you the browse. They're very good kissers, very tender kissers. And after you do that, then we have a gift shop before you leave that says, I kissed a giraffe. And we have brighter colors than we did last year. We've done this. We did it for a long time. We stopped for COVID. We just started up months ago. But anyway, it's very popular. The giraffes love it too because they know they're going to get their food. By the way, watch their tongue. Their tongue is dark. It's dark because it's out in the sun. It's melanin. It would get sunburn otherwise. So if you look very far in when he takes that big tongue out, you'll see it's pink down at the back, and that's because that part doesn't get sunburned. Very interesting creature. They'll tell you all about them. So we suggest you start there. They'll make a line through your ticket, and just keep your ticket for the rest of the day in case you need something.
Is that included with the admission?
Everything I'm telling you is included right now. So your bush safari, start there. After that's done, shuttle or walk up to tram stop number 2 where the 11:30 show is. Tiger Splash is there. Now the extras are feed a tiger, $5 after Tiger Splash. Our shows are in a line. We don't repeat them, so if you miss them, you miss them. We move around our 3 o'clock show, and I just heard on the radio 3 o'clock is going to be wolves today in the water, I think. So wolves is after 3 o'clock. They'll make an announcement at the end of each show. They'll tell you where the next show is. Okay. So then your feed a tiger's $5. It's very safe. You get very close, but if you're not sure, then don't buy tickets here. When you get there, when you get to the front of the line, pay $5 for a ticket to feed a tiger, and you'll know what it's all about and you know what you're paying for. We don't have, we have a machine here to get money, but we don't have that up there. You has to be cash on that thing. Okay, so the other extra is an upgrade. It's called the Super Mog. It's a 20-person vehicle. Go ahead, follow you guys where you see what I'm not seeing. You go where you need to go. It's a 20-person vehicle. You have to be over 5 years old to qualify to purchase this. It is a wonderful deal, especially if you buy it in the...
Where are you guys from?
From Kansas City, Kansas.
Kansas? Okay, nice.
How long have you been working the safari?
About a year and a half now.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, I don't do the safari, I do the shuttle.
The shuttle.
But the safari is a nice tour. You're going to get close with all the animals over there in the Serengeti.
Gotcha.
Like gazelles, the antelopes, the zebras, the giraffes. There's over 30 animals.
Wow.
And they're going to give you some food, and you're going to get to feed the giraffes. It's all part of the tour. They give it to you, yeah. Look at like a leaf or something, like a little leafy thing. Give it to you. And if you're daring, you kind of put it around and get giraffe kisses.
Oh, that's the... Okay.
So this is the day to get
bé chăm bà nó bé ta chăm bà yêu một cho chia nó cho sa tỷ nó.
Oh my goodness.
I do too. I could just go up there.
Oh yeah.
I can come back.
Yes.
What?
I know. Decide, that's why it's like, just let us do it.